I'm going to be telling you about Manus. Manus is a new AI agent made in China. You can see, I'm going to scroll all the way down here. Now, on the benchmark section here, you can see Kaya. Kaya is a benchmark for evaluating general AI assistance on solving real world problems, right? Now, you can see on the benchmark here, you can see the black bar here. This is Manus AI. And on the dark grayish one here, this is OpenAI, right? You can see it's comparable like this. Now, Manus is almost 10% better than OpenAI here. It's at 86. Meanwhile, OpenAI is only at 74%. You can see on level 2 and on level 3, on average, Manus AI is a lot better than OpenAI here, right? So it's pretty good. Now you can see this is the couple of things that Manus AI can do, like trip to Japan, deep analyze Tesla stock, interactive course on momentum theorem, comparative analysis of insurance policies. But the thing that's been causing a lot of uproar is that if you want to get started, you need a invitation code, right? And some of the invitation code could cost up to $20,000. You can see it's currently in private beta. So if you want to use Manus, you will need to activate your account with a private code of an invitation code down there. If you want to apply for access, you can click on this button here. But of course, you'll have to email them and you need to type in how Manus can help you as well. And then you can request an invitation code and then you can apply for access for Manus and you may or may not get the code.